Hey friends, it's Jenny, and I've got some goodies here. I went ahead and ordered from my sweet friend Jody Krontz. You know her from This Beaded Life. She also has a Etsy store called String Theory, and she has a YouTube channel for string theory. I followed it a little while ago, and she's starting to put some content there, especially when she is putting together kits or collections. You can see a lot of her Etsy stuff at that place. So if you're not already following Jody at String Theory, her link is going to be in this description, and I will I'll get that, make sure that I get that updated. So there's a couple of places you can find Jody, and that is one of them. Also, I really recommend going ahead and adding her store as one of your favorites on Etsy so that you can stay up to date on when she has new things. So I have a couple of things here. One is her most recent collection, and another one is something that I couldn't resist, and I did. I asked her to save me one in a certain color because there were only a couple left, and I was waiting because I was going to order it. And what is this? Did she put in a little extra for me? She has these journals. So this is the journal, and we're gonna get back to this. It looks like a little kit. How cute is it? Oh my goodness. Okay. She has these journals that you can use as like a beading journal or a creative journal, or just to write in. They're faux leather, and I loved this dark green. Like, it looks black on my screen, but it's not. It's this really deep forest green, and it's got this really pretty embossed mandala. And you just open it up, and it's got the ring, so you can replace this paper. It's not just stuck inside the journal. And so you can use this to take notes and all kinds of other fun stuff. And it just looked really pretty, and I wanted to get one. Last I saw, she does have a few left. I don't know if there is another green one left, but there are some other colors in her Etsy store. So I did get this. She sent me a little gifty. Let's look at that. So I didn't know about this one. What you doing, Jody? Oh, and there was a piece of paper, and I left it in here, but I need to not leave it in here. Where did my paper go? Because this is not a packing list. This is the trip to Bali paper. So I want to make sure I have this so that I know what I'm talking about when I show you stuff. I almost disregarded that, but let's take a look at this little kit. It's got some stringing, some stringing material, and these little red drooks, and some rondelles, and this pretty bead right here. I'll have to take a look at this, but she gave me a little kit that has all these really pretty beads. Let's get them close so you can see the colors a little bit better. It's like a dark kind of cranberry color, and then a couple of shades of green, one a little bit more forest green, and the other one that's a little bit more not teal, but like that direction, so warmer and cooler dark greens. And you can see the glow. Like, you might not see the color of the bead as much, but you can see the different color of glow that they have. It gives you an idea of the color. That's really cute. Thank you, Jody. A little gifty. Let's see. I'll have to look on her channel to see if she's got a project for this already. It might be one of the ones that's like a macrame or something, or knotting, which I don't know how to do, but I am happy to learn. I'll have to check it out. Yay, okay. All right, so then the other thing that I got, because I already showed you the journal, this is the Trip to Bali collection from Jody's Favorite. She's been doing a collection every month. I did watch a video. She has a little gifty just for you. Okay, so here's another gift. Oh, you sweetie. Look at that. Little gifty just for me. Oh, it's so pretty. That's Amazonite. Oh my goodness. Okay. We'll do the collection first and then take a look at the second little gift that she's giving me. Let me move the tissue paper out of the way. But I did see on her channel that she has just released like a bracelet kit, and she said that she has several kits that she's going to be releasing throughout this month. So you'll want to check that out. But this is full of color and I love it. Oh my goodness. There's so much in here. Oh, look at these lovely things. Okay. Let's get this, let's take a look at it. And I have here, I wasn't sure if I was going to use it because I knew that this was maybe a little bit smaller collection than some of what we usually put in the organizers, but she gave me some other little extra goodies too. So I'm gonna organize into one of my 15 grid organizers as we do this. But this has a lot of really beautiful stuff. So she says, thank you everyone for this magical trip to Bali. We can explore all beautiful scenery in our beads this month. I hope this box brings you somewhere relaxing, warm, and exciting. So for the gemstones, she chose a beautiful agate in browns. So this is a brown agate. It's so pretty. Let me get my dish up here so you can see the details here. And she's got warm agate in browns, and she's got lapis to represent the beaches. So we've got our sand and sea all right here. Sand and sea, my friends. And this is a long strand. These are lapis rondelles. And it's a long strand. Like, that's doubled over. That is a lot. That is a very nice long strand. I love that. Super, super beachy, those gemstones. And then there's a check strand. She chose the strand for the layers of green. You can see it's got some table cut. So layers of greens like amazing vegetation we wander through on a hike to the waterfalls. We've got these beautiful table cut beads. They're all table cut with these little fire polish separators. But look at these different gorgeous shades of green. Let's move these guys out of our spot. And I'm gonna hold these up so you can see. Trying not to cover them with my thumb while I hold them because they just want to go everywhere, guys. But I love these. They're so pretty. I love that. And then we will collect seashells on the beach. That's these guys. So these are charms by Nun Design and a gold dipped shell focal that was a deep search for the unique. So there's a few metals, and I'll need to test them, but chances are I can't use these ones from Nun Design. I appreciate that Nun Design is very thorough in talking about what processes their things go through, but unfortunately that means that I know they add nickel to anything that's not antique copper or their nickel-free ear wires. They add it as part of the plating because that's a less expensive option than using copper for the same part of the plating. They don't bother doing it on the copper pieces because it needs to be copper anyway. So I don't know on these. This sounds like it's probably not Nun Design, so I'll definitely want to check that to see if I can use it, but it is so pretty. It's like, it's a shell electroplated. It does have a little loop here on the end and a jump ring. Those are the parts that I would be most concerned about. And I probably can't use these dangles, unfortunately. But I am grateful that they are very thorough and I'm not going to put them back in the bag because what am I going to do? I'm going to put them in my organizer, right? I am totally going to put these in my organizer. Okay. And then Java glass is made in Indonesia. So we definitely needed a fun little mix. Is that what these are? That's what these are. These are the Java glass. From Indonesia, and they're like striped little tubes, kind of a large seed bead shape. Real pretty. I love that color. Love that color. And then she also got, as a fun little bonus, some dazzling blue crystal cabs and setting from Nun Design. So here's what we have here. So here's what we're going to do. I can't use the setting because, for the same reason I mentioned before, I know that they played it in different colors, but this cab I can totally use, and I'll just have to use it in a different way, which is totally fine. That's pretty cool. So that is really fun. I hope you enjoy this box. Love you all, says Jody. Okay, let's get this, start putting it in my container. I'm going to set aside the Nun Design stuff here in this little section. But I'm going to put my leaf here. And we're going to put some of these guys here. I am going to snip off some of this excess string from this strand of rondelles because these are pretty small. I'm probably going to leave them on their strand. I'm just getting some of the string out of our way, so we can just. I like to put gemstones up here at the top. Oh no, it doesn't quite. It's so long that it gets tight by the end of winding it. Hold on. Let me see if I can do this a little bit more loosely. Or here we go. I have a better solution. We're gonna put it like this. There we go. There's our lapis and our agate. And you know, just like last time I got one of Jody's boxes, I'm gonna put my little gifties in my box too. Because why not, right? In fact, I'm going to move these guys over a little bit. What happened? Oh, just a little kink in the. It's fine. It's fine. Gosh, these are so pretty. Like, I got them off the strand and then I saw even more. Look at how beautiful those are. They're so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to move this over. Because we also have these big red glass beads. Oh, that's what I missed. I missed the line she said about it. So the red beach style glass, because it's got that slightly matte, like you would get with like sea glass, that texture, represents the red frangipani plant that grows all over the island. So you gotta have something represent that local flora. And see, they won't fit. I don't think they'll fit in one section. Maybe they will. I might be surprising myself. Whoops. Hey, they did fit. I'm pretty impressed. And then we've got this strand. I'm gonna go ahead and take these down and put this strand, just keep them all together right here. I like to do that sometimes when I have a strand. And then guys, little gifty just for you. What a sweetie. Thank you, Jody. She gave me some Czech glass and some Amazonite, and this is just beautiful. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Guys, do you see how beautiful the texture is in these? Those are gorgeous, my friend. Oh, you are so generous to share these with me. Thank you so much. This is so nice. I love those a lot. I'm giving them a little space too. Ah, look at how beautiful they are. I love those. Love those. And then we've got these table cut. They've got kind of a, like, this one's pink in the middle. This one's also pink. So it's kind of like pink and white and brown all kind of striped together with the, like a, I don't know, is that travertine on the outside and then the table cut. That's so beautiful and so earthy. This is gonna go so well with like the beachy part of this collection. She gave me little gifties. Like, here's more water, here's more beach. She gave me gifties that absolutely fit this collection. I'm gonna have to put together a beachy design with this. I love it, because she also gave me this strand of Hawaiian style flowers, and they've got this really pretty silver wash, because we gotta have some more flowers too, right? Yes. I think those are fantastic. Those are fantastic. And I kind of want to put this kit up here in this corner too, because I have room. Look, there's one. How can I not? How can I not, right? I'm going to just take the string and we're going to put that in the bottom. A little organizing video for our friend Jody. Just getting this wound around and trying not to tangle it because, you know, that's what I'm doing. All right, the beads will help weigh it down, I promise. At least that's the idea. So then I open this and pour these beads. Okay, it was the right idea. It's fine. Some of those strands will still show above, but I can tuck most of it in. But look at how well all of this goes. Beautiful blues and greens and these golden tones. This is definitely a trip to Bali. Now, this collection is no longer available, but like I said, I do recommend going ahead and checking out her Etsy store. It's where she'll post kits, other extras, little things that she likes to share. And so it's a great place to check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, have a link to String Theory. And I love this. I love this. And again, thank you for the little extras. So these were my little extras. The rest of these items were from the collection. So yeah, I'm excited. Thank you, Jody. It's so lovely. And I cannot wait to make. I cannot wait to make. I'm not going to make in this video. This is just a quick hi. Wanted to share this with everybody and get this out in the world and to let you guys know about her bracelet kits that she just posted, and that she's going to be posting some more kits this month, so that you can see that. And yeah, I think this is going to be really fun. I'm going to set, usually I set these underneath, but I keep seeing them and I don't want to. But I'm going to take a picture of this, and that way, unencumbered by the little separators. These beads do a good job covering that up, but the other ones, just the way that it's rolled around. Oh, love it, love it. Beautiful job. Just gorgeous job. Taking our trip to Bali. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this. If you liked this video, hit like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Check out Jody's Etsy page and subscribe to her String Theory channel. And as always, friends, happy beading, and don't forget to play. Bye!